name is Charles Lombardi, the mayor of the Town of North Providence in the state of Rhode Island, a community of 34,000 residents. I know the Environmental Policy Innovation Center, located in Washington, D.C., was interested as to how we handled the issue of lead pipe distribution in the state of Rhode Island. I can tell you this, that I was reading about the situation in Flint, Michigan, and that concerned me. That being said, I said we need to try to figure out a way and how we could address the issue that we could have in the town of North Providence. We identified a number of lead services on the private side in our town, and we knew, or I knew, that I would like to address it. I also knew that this could concern the residents in that they could possibly think that they have a problem today with unhealthy drinking water. So my idea was twofold. Number one, to go to the state, and we have a community development block grant program, and ask if there were any funds. Well, lo and behold, when we went to the state, they were surprised that we would be willing to take on this issue because many people were afraid to do this. So my suggestion was, okay, so if we have a number of neighborhood meetings, community meetings, and just make sure that these people understand you don't have a problem today. We don't want to scare anyone, but 10 or 15 years down the road, you could have a problem. This is what we think we could do for you if you meet the criteria. So we put that basically at rest with people so that they wouldn't be afraid. I can tell you this, up to this date, we've serviced approximately 90 households in our town. But I want to also tell you that we couldn't have done this without the cooperation and the partnership with the Providence Water Supply Board. So once we put an agreement together with them, they agreed that they would replace the line on the street side, from the street to the homeowner's property line, and we would take care of the private side of the line. As I stated to you, we've changed and replaced approximately 90 services in the town of North Providence up to date. And I will tell you this, I'm proud to say that it might have been a couple of years ago, the EPA awarded the town of North Providence the Children's Safety and Health Award. We had to go to Boston. They were impressed that we chose to take on addressing this very, very important issue, and it's been working out, very, very well. And as I said, that we knew when we went to the CBD program that their funds are very restrictive, but we were successful in convincing them that two things: we were willing to take it on, and that we could get it done. So that being said, if there are any questions for me through the town as its mayor, please feel free to give us a call. But also you may want to check on the that award that we received from the EPA. I think that basically says it all. So thank you for listening.